Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the Shark Robotic Vacuums roller as well as HEPA filter. For the roller, I've already put a new one in, and this is a new one. There's two tabs for the door that opens up the door. Slide one side out, and there's a rotating side that aligns to the open side. So align the fixed side in first, then slide in the open one. Now these rollers wear out roughly in about a year or 2 years or so. Mine's has already been about 1.5 or more years already. So it's been worn down and it's been raggedy. So replacing that helps a lot in terms of picking up other debris and trash on the floor. As with the HEPA filter, it's the back container of right here, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. I've already had this thing dusted out already, and this is the new filter. Depending on the model, the filter could be replaced either by the entire part, which is the top part of this thing, or by just the filter itself. So normally the hinges come off by sliding them off the clips, and you just replace the entire top part with a new HEPA filter. My old HEPA filter is right there on the floor, and it is clogged full. I've already tried vacuuming that stuff out, but I vacuum it pretty much every month, and it works really well. But now I just have to put a new one, and that's how you do it. Very easy. Thanks for watching.